This is Todd Hatta, and today I'm going to talk about how to travel the world for free using home exchange and credit card points. I'm almost always traveling somewhere in the world, and people always ask me how I do it. So today I'll share some of my best tips with you. One of the most expensive things about traveling is lodging. A couple years ago I discovered this website called Home Exchange. Home Exchange is similar to Airbnb, but instead of using money, you use points, or do a direct exchange with another user. Only those offering their homes can stay in your home for points or direct exchange. This makes it much safer than Airbnb, as the people will be much more respectful of your home as they would like people to be in their home. The cost to use the service is $220 a year for unlimited exchanges. My apartment in Mexico City is about $60 a night for my cost, or I get 179 points on home exchange. I usually use my points at properties that would cost $200 or more per night. This is my second year using home exchange, and I've already stayed quite a bit of places around the world. Some of my favorites were a 3-bedroom ocean view villa with a private pool in Koh Samui, Thailand, a 2-bedroom ocean view condo in Rayong, Thailand, several apartments in Mexico City, in Polanco and Condesa, Del Valle, and even a little apartment in Berlin. A great tip for using your points is to stay in a city with a high nightly cash rate. Using points, you'll get the most value and the best deal overall. Check out the link in the description. It's free to sign up and browse around the site and see if this makes sense for your type of travel. And now for credit card points for flights and hotels. I think the most popular card is a Chase Sapphire Reserve, and this is a little bit pricey card, but you get a lot of benefits. First, you get a $300 travel credit. You also get Priority Pass that will get you into airport lounges all around the world. And you get a rebate for the cost of global entry and TSA PreCheck. To use your points, you could book on the Chase travel site, or you could transfer your points to different airlines and hotels, sometimes at a good bonus. You'll need really good credit for this, but if you're interested, check in the description and earn 60,000 bonus points for signing up. Next is the Marriott Bonvoy American Express. For Lifetime Platinum, you need to have 10 years of Platinum status and stay a total of 600 nights. The Marriott Bonvoy Amex really helped me reach that level. With each card you get 15 night credits, so that's a total of 30 with the business and the personal. So I was able to reach Platinum each year with only 20 nights stay, but I still had to reach 600 nights total, so that's why it took me 12 years. Some of the other benefits, you get a free night each year, which is very nice. If you're interested in the Marriott Bonvoy cards, click the link below. They only offer 2 of the higher ones right now, but they have great benefits too. The next one is the World of Hyatt Chase card. Now Hyatt's got a much smaller footprint in the world than Marriott or Hilton. With this card you get Discoverer status, you get $100 Hyatt credit each year. In my opinion, Hyatts have the best point redemption value of all the hotels. In Bali I stayed at a 4-star all-inclusive hotel, and that was about $350 per night, but it was about an average of 13,000 points per night. And that's just crazy. If you compare points to points with Marriott or Hilton, you'll just get such a better property for those amount of points. If you're interested in checking out the Hyatt card, there's a link in the description with 60,000 bonus points, which could give you a whole week at somewhere really nice. Next up is the IHG One Rewards Chase card. And IHG is like Holiday Inn, Crowne Plaza, Intercontinental hotels. So with this IHG One Rewards card, you get Platinum status, you get a rebate on your global entry and TSA PreCheck, a free rewards night, and every time you redeem 3 nights, you get the 4th night free. IHG hotels are pretty solid overall. I've stayed at the Holiday Inn Express in Taipei, I've stayed at the Intercontinental in Pattaya, Holiday Inn in Bangkok. They're all great hotels, the Intercontinental especially, very nice. If you're interested in the IHG One Rewards card, check the link in the description for up to 140,000 bonus points for signing up. Now on to the airlines. My newest card is the United Quest Chase card. Now this came with a $125 annual United purchase credit. Your first and second checked bags are free, priority boarding, a rebate on your global entry and TSA PreCheck, and possible premier upgrades on the award tickets. Also, bonus, I've noticed booking the award tickets, it's refundable and changeable with no fees, at least the ones that I've booked. If you're interested in the United Chase Quest card, check out the link in the description for up to 80,000 bonus points for signing up. My final card is the Southwest Priority Chase card. This comes with a $75 travel credit per year, 7,500 points to use, which could be a few flights, and 4 upgraded boardings. I used to use this card a lot, so I have a couple 100,000 points built up, and I've been traveling mostly internationally, so I haven't been using it. But every time I need to travel around the US, I have a free flight waiting for me. So it's very nice. If you're interested in the Southwest Priority card, check out the link in the description, and up to 80,000 bonus points for signing up. I hope you found some of this information useful. I know there's a lot of details. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll try to help as much as I can. I've had so many great trips using these tips, so I hope someday you can too. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button on this video, and I have many more travel tip videos to come.